In this video, you will learn how to create a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel sheet. Currently, you can see here I have created a drop-down list. There are two lists. First contain the multiple option. You can see here if I click here, you can see here there are multiple option appeared here, and I can select any option. For example, I will select 2015 and it will change to 2015. Similarly, if I select 2017, then it will change to 2017. Similarly, I have created another drop-down list which contain only two options. For example, I click on this down arrow. You can see here only two options appear, that is yes or no. If I click on no, it will select no. Separate methods are used to create drop-down list using multiple options or drop-down list with only two options. I will explain both this method. So let's start this tutorial without any further delay. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data to save time. Firstly, I will create the drop-down list using multiple options. To do this, firstly, I will write down the options and I will use separate sheet. If you want to write option in this sheet, that's also fine. So I will recommend you should use separate sheet. I will write different years and using fill option I will fill these. Go to this option and I will use fill series, and these options will be appear in my drop down list. So move to previous sheet. Firstly, select the cell where you want to create a drop down list. I want to create a drop down list here, so I have selected this cell. After doing that, go to data tab, click here, and in data tools you will find the option of data validation. Click this down arrow and select data validation option. Now there are multiple options: settings, input messages, error alert. Select setting and in allow option select list. I will select list. After that you will find the option of source. Click on this arrow sign and select the list. I have entered the data in a separate sheet, so I will select all these options. After doing that, click on this sign and click on OK. Now you can see here a arrow sign appeared here in square. Click on it and you can select any option. You have successfully created the list which contain multiple options. Now move to second question: how to create drop down list which contain only two options. This method is simple. Simply select this cell. I have selected this cell. Now again go to data tab and in data tab go to data tools. From here select data validation option. In data validation option go to setting and in allow option select list, and in source option write down the two options. For example, I will write yes, separate them with comma, and write second option which is no. Click on OK. Now you can see here a arrows sign appear within square. Click here and you will find two options, yes or no. Select anyone. Similarly, if I select no, it will select no. So by doing so, you have successfully created the drop down list which has multiple options, and second one has only two options. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.